Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to make some donuts. So stay tuned for my new viewers. Please subscribe to my channel, like and comment. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much guys for your support. You always means a lot. So watch the video till the end. The ingredients, I'll write them in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Let me give you the ingredients. We have wheat flour, there's sugar, there's salt, yeast, egg and milk. Depends on your size of the flour or the people that you're making donuts for. And for confirmation, you will read the description box. So watch the video till the end and see step by step on this video how I made the donuts. Don't forget to like, comment anything that you want me to do. Thank you so much for watching. I forgot to mention margarine. Yeah, I'm a Blueband. Margarine or Blueband. Yes. Hizi nazo ziliweza. They were very soft and fluffy. Thank you guys for watching. See you to my next video. Don't forget to comment, like. Bye.